What's the meaning of blackmail? Blackmail. Blackmail.
Blackmail. Blackmail. Blackmail refers to the act of threatening to reveal embarrassing, disgraceful or damaging information about a person, unless they comply with certain demands made by the blackmailer. The demands could be for money, favors or other benefits that the blackmailer may desire. Blackmail is considered to be a criminal offense in various jurisdictions and carries severe penalties. It is often used as a means of exploiting vulnerable individuals or those in positions of power or influence. It can cause significant emotional distress and harm to the victim, and is a serious violation of their privacy and dignity. It is important to report any attempts of blackmail to the authorities immediately.